This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Abu Dhabi Security Exchange, ADX, is a stock exchange in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. ADX was established on November 15, 2000, to trade the shares of local United Arab Emirates companies. Under Local Law No. 2000, ADX is an autonomous legal entity in both finance and management. ADX has established branches in Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and Zayed City. The major sectors of ADX are banks and financial services, construction, consumer, energy, healthcare, industrial, insurance, real estate, and telecommunication. According to the Abu Dhabi Security Exchange website, ADX.AE, as of November 14, 2012, ADX had a total market capitalization of $80.7 billion from 66 listed firms. The ADX index has been on an upward surge since early June to the current 2,994.81 points, the highest attained in a year. Dubai Financial Market. DFM was established as an independent public institution on March 26, 2000. DFM is involved in the listing and trading of public joint stock companies' shares, bonds, Islamic sukuk, and mutual funds. As of November 14, 2012, there are 57 listed companies split into banks, investment and financial services, insurance, real estate and construction, transportation, industrials, consumer staples, telecommunication, services, and Nasdaq Dubai. Nasdaq Dubai is the international arm that handles foreign trading. According to the Dubai Financial Market website, on November 14, 2012, DFM had a market capitalization of $48 billion with a total of 57 listed firms. DFM has experienced improvement since the beginning of the year. In 1Q12, it realized an AED 30.5 million profit. According to research firm Global Research, this recovery has been attributed to better global indicators, good quarterly profitability by local companies, macroeconomic development in the Emirate of Dubai, and improved investors' confidence all over the world. ADX has more listed companies than DFM, but its trading volume is usually smaller. ADX and DFM have experienced rapid growth in market capitalization and number of listings since their establishment. The two markets form the second largest stock market in the Gulf region after Saudi Arabia's Tawaddul. Investment restrictions were reviewed in 2003, and foreigners were, for the first time, allowed to invest in these markets. Despite impressive growth, the stock markets are relatively small compared to those of developed countries. Aside from the low number of listed firms, trading volume is usually low and infrequently traded. In addition, the stock market also has weak disclosure requirements. However, authorities have recently stepped up efforts to improve transparency and disclosure in the market. The DFM index has been on an oscillatory climb since hitting a low of 1,437.03 points in June. As of November 13, the index stood at 1,617.47 points against a base index value of 1,000. Performance. To assess the performance of companies at the DFM, EPS for each of the companies was obtained from the DFM website. Using data from the ADX website and Gulfbase.com, an analysis of the performance of all the listed companies was conducted. Dividend yield was used to assess the performance of all the companies over a 5-year period from 2007 to 2011. The top-ranking companies in terms of this parameter are presented above. Impressive dividend yields are construed to provide decent future returns. Therefore, investments in shares with impressive dividend yields can be considered prudent. In this regard, ADIB, EIC, DAFRA, NMDC, Etisalat, Julfur, and GCEM. UAE, UAB, BOS, and RACNIC can be worthy investments. Earnings per share are essential in comparing companies in the same sector. A steady EPS, consistent over a relatively long period, portends good future profitability. Based on the analysis of the same from DFM, the shares of Emirates, Alliance Insurance, Arab Orient Insurance, Arab Heavy Industry, and United Kiapara Industries show high EPS values over a 4-year period and can be considered good investments. In conclusion, the above analysis may not be conclusive. It is better augmented with other performance ratios, and perhaps a broader analysis that requires more time and resources will produce better results. I find DFM more active in volume, trade, and individual company profitability. I would recommend investing in it. This essay on UAE stock markets, ADX and DFM performance comparison was written and submitted by a student just like you. The IvyPanda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.